This here is my backyard garden. Starting off the work for the dry season. Cutting, clearing. Hoping to do agroforestry type of gardening here. Incorporate some syntropic style as well. For the dry season, the only planting I'm looking to do is to get some dragon fruit into the ground. They do well in the drought, so even if the season is bad one, they will survive. I'll be using the YouTube platform as a way of documenting my progress. See you next time.